Kibera slum is a densely populated and informal urban settlement with the population estimated to be in the hundreds of thousands. Located 3.1 kilometers from Kenya's capital city in Nairobi County, the slum is plagued by lack of sufficient water and electricity, poor drainage and sanitation, unemployment, alcohol and drug abuse, poor access to proper medical facilities, among others.
My name is Carlos Moreidi. I'm 12 years old. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Since the year 2008, we were living in Kibera slums. My parents were not able to pay for us school fees and other things, like they were not able to look for us for food. But I came to this home. I have been experiencing many changes. Some of them is that when I was there out, I was not able to get clothes, but I have them. I was not able to get food, but I usually eat. And now even I'm studying. I thank God for all of the great things that He has done. I hope for great future. And when I grow up, I want to be a pilot. And I thank God for that.
The New Life Restoration Ministries International was founded and established within the environs of the Kibera slums in the year 1997. Their mission: to reach out to the nations of the world.
My name is Ann Kasaya. I'm 15 years old. I'm in standard 8. Before I came in Springs of Life Children's Restoration Home, I was living with my parents, and they were not able to pay for me my school fees and other basic needs that I needed. Now I'm getting my education and each and everything that I needed. I appreciate Dr. Paul Mbithi and Mom Grace for each and everything that have done for me, and I thank God for giving me this opportunity.
As the years have passed, the organization has managed to achieve many triumphs and continuously attain its goals. Some setbacks, however, have threatened to hamper the organization's mission, the most recent one being a fire tragedy that completely destroyed the headquarters facilities, reducing it to ashes. By God's favor and through His grace, the organization managed to pool in resources that facilitated the reconstruction of its headquarters. A headquarters that comprises the organization's mother church, a children's home and rehabilitation center, and a preschool and primary education institution.
My name is Francis Njoroge. I joined this home after I spent some years in the street. So before I went to the street, I was living with my grandma. Then me and my brother decided, after facing some challenges there, we decided to go to the street where we thought life would be comfortable. So after some couple of years in the street, I was lucky enough to find this place. I was welcomed, and I was taken to school. In primary, I studied up to class 8. Then I was taken to secondary school, and here I am. I noticed that I had the talent of singing and writing music. My next plan, I'm planning to do a video, a very nice video this year. In future, I want to be a filmmaker and a film writer too.
The organization also runs training programs in the cottage industry in an effort to empower the people with skills and knowledge to alleviate themselves from a state of poverty to that of a hopeful, prosperous, and a better tomorrow. Water purification systems are also put in place to supply clean and uncontaminated water for drinking and cooking. The year 2000 saw the dawn of a new era for the children of the Kibera slum. The Springs of Life Children's Restoration Center was started as a dwelling place for orphaned and neglected children rescued primarily from the Kibera slum.
My names are Grace. I was born in the year of 2000. I have 14 years old and I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. As I was 5 years old, my mother became sick. So my grandmother called my aunt Dorcas to come and take my mother to the hospital. When Dorcas came and took my mother to the hospital, my mother became sick and very weak. So she died. There was a chef who was cooking for this school, who was called Nicholas and Josephat. They came to our Mom Grace called them to come to our house and took me to the hospital. When they took me to the hospital, I came back after 1 month. So Mom Grace told Josephat and Nicholas to take me to their home so that I can stay with them for 1 week. So when I stayed with them 1 week, Mom Grace called them and told them that she wants I to come here in Restoration Children's Home. I stay with other children because I didn't have all the parents, but now I thank God because I can get clothes. I was not going to school. Even I was not eating. Sometimes I was staying without eating for 1 week. But now I can eat, I can get the clothes. And so I thank Mom Grace for bringing me here and giving me everything that I didn't have. Thank you.
The Restoration Educational Center was also started in the year 2000 and has matured to a full-fledged and firmly established preschool and primary school education institution.
My name is Brian Mutunga. I am in standard 3. When I was small, my mother, father left me when I was small, 3 years old. I remained with my uncle and aunt. My uncle took me in this home. I thank God for all that are made for us. I thank Mrs. Grace and Mr. Dr. Paul Mbithi, and God bless them.
With the support of organizations such as Feed the Children, the school has consistently managed to sustain a feeding program that provides a meal in the morning and during lunch for all the pupils. Thank you for being an inspiration.